Welcome back to Autoscope. Rolls Royce Motorhome, 2026. External. The lines eliminate the boxy feel that is commonly associated with motorhomes by flowing from front to back. The front is dominated by classic Rolls-Royce elements including the tall hood and the recognizable Pantheon grille. When the car is parked, the Spirit of Ecstasy sculpture made of sterling silver that adorns the grille automatically retracts into the hood for protection. In addition to being practical, the materials are aesthetically pleasing. Panoramic views are provided by large side windows. Interior, styled like a 7-star hotel's private lounge. The finest hand-stitched leather is used to make the seats, and they can be personalized with engraving. A coffee table that can be electronically retracted sits in the middle of the living room. The kitchen in the motorhome is a work of art in terms of both design and utility. Exotic wood with bespoke veneers is used to make the cabinets. The cookware is created to order, using high-end brands. The wood paneling conceals an oven, refrigerator, dishwasher, and induction cooktop. The mattress for the king-size bed is specially manufactured. A sizable wardrobe composed of ebony or mahogany is present. A specially designed Rolls-Royce audio system is fitted throughout the Legion. Almost all of the motorhome's features are controlled by an AI assistant called Eleanor using voice commands. A V12 hybrid engine or perhaps a cutting-edge all-electric system will power the Legion, ensuring quiet and seamless operation, even on bumpy roads. An adaptable air suspension system will provide a very comfortable ride. It enables inhabitants to spend time in isolated areas without worrying about electricity or water shortages because to its integrated solar panels on the roof, large capacity backup battery, and advanced water purification system. The side doors are expanded for convenient access, yet they open normally coach style. To expand the living area while parked, the vehicle's sides can be hydraulically stretched. This is a moving mansion, not simply a motorhome.